Hey guys, Boris House from BK Forex. Welcome to our Forex Daily Technicals for 11/13/13. As always, trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and obviously suitable for all investors. I ask you to disclaimer very carefully to understand all those associated with trading on margin and seek advice from a financial advisor if you have any doubts. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Aussie probably is one of the more interesting trades today. Also the pound, but Aussie just got shellacked today. Took out the 93s, which was a key level that we talked about yesterday. But here's the thing: 93 is a very big support level. We tested it, broke it to the downside, came back up, and closed above it. So I think in many ways, the Aussie 93 level right now is one that's very much worthwhile to keep an eye on. As long as we hold above the lows of the day, which is 92.62, 92.50, Aussie may be in a point of consolidation and bottoming out just for the near term. A little too early to tell, obviously, way too early to tell, as a matter of fact. But if you're going to take a gamble on the fact that the lows may have been set yesterday or today, this is as good a place to try to take a punt as any, given the fact that we had support here, we tested it, we came back up, we didn't close on a day's lows. Still, very precarious situation, hardly a bullish situation. It's just simply picking a bottom, something I really don't like to do, but in this particular case, may be worth taking a look at, given the fact that we've had such a big decline in the Aussie already. If it does break, though, the day's lows taking us out, it really has nothing in there to hold it all the way out to 92. So 92 is the next level for the shorts if they can press it to the downside as the day progresses. Cable was the other big trade today. We had weaker than expected CPI, which in the grander scheme of things is actually a positive thing for the UK economy because it means that the inflation is going away, real spending should increase, and growth should continue to go. So tomorrow we have employment data, we have the BOE inflation report, we have a Carney press conference, a lot of event risk tomorrow. We'll have to see how all of it plays out. But having said this, 59 was a big support area. We took it out, came back, held around the 58.50s. Again, same kind of a thing. Came back to trade above 5900s. So similar type of situation. As long as we can basically hold against today's lows, that may have been a near-term bottom and a potential move to the upside. The top side here is 60 on cable as far as resistance. Obviously support at 58.50. Break here takes us down to the 5800s, which is the next level of support for cable. Euro, on the other hand, was nothing but a buy. Continues to be very, very strong. Look at this, actually very strong recovery. We tested the lows today and came back up to end up on the highs. Looks very bullish. We're making higher lows continuously here. Of course, the next big level, though, is this 34.50. We need to not just break it, but hold above it. And really, ideally, we need to recapture 3,500 because that would be a momentous comeback for the euro. Basically, a recovery all the way from the ECB crash of last Thursday. So all eyes on the euro today in many ways from a technical point of view. Not too much on the data set, but if euro gets a chance to rally above the 34.50s and try to extend, you know that 35 is going to be the very big target on the longs as far as the trade goes. And last but not least, dollar yen trading quite well. Took out the 99.50s and just kind of basing itself in preparation for this big run towards the 100. Which, by the way, if you combine the two ideas here, if you have a strong euro, strong dollar yen, of course the big eye. Where's my euro yen here? The big eye or the big cross to trade at this point is going to be the euro yen, which 34 was the highs here, I believe. But the real big resistance area is the 135s. So this 34 to 35 is a potential extension of the moves that we've had for the last couple of days. That's kind of how the day shapes up. UK data primary tomorrow. Bottom line is if both pound and Aussie can hold their lows, then you have potential move a little bit higher in the high betas and a continuation extension in the euros. All of it positive, I think, for the high betas and for the yen crosses. If they start crumpling further, pound really looks at 58 and Aussie looks at 92 as the next levels for the trade. The other thing to watch for is any kind of a reversal in dollar yen. If dollar yen cannot muster the move towards 100 and starts to trade back and actually gives back 99.50s, then you have a very quick potential for a rerun back to 99s. So we're at pivotal levels. Interesting trades on both sides of the equation with a bias right now, obviously, towards the up move in the yen crosses. Wish you guys the best of luck, the best of trading, and support Schlossberg over and out.